Okay, so today we've got a very awkward bodyline dent to do, and it's on the rear door of this Volkswagen Polo. Okay, right, so if we look at this dent closely, we can see there's quite a lot going on. I'll break down the main elements of the dent. So, we've got the main impact crease, which is here. And we've also got another crease which runs just down in this area here. If we look closely, we've also got a high spot which is coming out of this area here as well. This is probably caused by where the door's gone in. There's obviously some kind of framework or crash bar, bolt or something similar behind, and as it's gone in, that's caused it to push out. There's an obvious sort of protrusion coming through here as well. This could also be the crash bar, because the crash bar I think runs diagonally on this door, so that will also need to be addressed. Okay, so the other obvious part of this damage is the crown that's been created underneath this main dent here. If you look carefully, this runs in a curved shape from here to here. And if we really look carefully into the damage, we can see that it actually starts from about here and comes all the way up to this section here. So from around here to here, the actual body line is actually going inwards. So I think the way I'm going to attack this dent is I'm going to start off with some glue pulling in this area here. I'm going to try and draw this out. Hopefully we can then address this crown that's running down underneath this dent and push that back in to this area here. That should hopefully bring most of this line back out. Once that's done, we can then start addressing this high ridge up here, because that should release some tension from whatever that's pushing onto. And also it should allow us to tap down this very sharp high spot here. Once all these main elements are back out and straight again, it's just a matter of going through the paintless dent removal process, of going behind the panel, using various different techniques, various different tools, until we're finished and we've got a satisfactory repair. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm probably at the halfway stage now. I've managed to do as much as I can with the glue pulling. I've pulled out all this area here, this large crease that's come out. I've managed to reduce the crowns and tap those down. I've tapped down all these little sharp areas that were the crash bar pushing through. So I think it's about time now to go behind the panel with the PDR bars and finish this off. Okay, so the repair's now finished. We did as much as we could on the exterior of the panel by using the glue tabs, glue pull-in techniques, tapping down any high ridges that were created from the crash bar. Then we took off the internal door trim, took out the inspection plate here. We went through the wiring loom hole here as well. We took out the rubber. That gave us various different access points in. I gave it a little polish to remove any surface marks, and as you can see, it's come out really well. So once again, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on PDR and learn how the PDR process works, then please subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified as soon as more PDR videos are available. But for now, we'll see you in the next video.